Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Halloween Happy. If you are new here, my name is Sam. I'm beyond excited. Not just so excited, but beyond, because we are halfway to Halloween. So I thought, why not celebrate this spooky occasion with bringing you guys a Halloween haul. So I get a lot of questions when it comes to my Halloween decor. What are some of my favorite spots to get Halloween? For a long time, this was my secret place, but they've become so popular within the Halloween community. I love this place because they just have all sorts of, honestly, gadgets and gadgets of Halloween things. They also carry a lot of other decor, things for celebrations, weddings, baby showers, you name it. But of course, my favorite thing that they carry is Halloween, and that leads me to today's sponsor, and that is Oriental Trading Company. I've worked with them for the past few years, but honestly, truly from my heart, they have always been in my top favorites of where I like to get my Halloween things. I have always been such a fan of them. Thank you to Oriental Trading Company for sponsoring this video. I am so excited. We're gonna go ahead and get into it. I got some things for the Halloween season. So if any of you haven't heard of Oriental Trading or even looked at their Halloween stuff, I highly recommend. They have a lot of unique things, and I feel like their Halloween selection gets bigger and bigger each year. So Oriental Trading has a lot of products that you can choose from: party decorations, Halloween decor, outdoor decor. They have like props, animatronics. Everything is just so spooktacular. They also have like Halloween candy. They have ghoulish games for the little kitties, and obviously us adults too, because you know we love a good Halloween game. If you're into trunk or treating, they have kits where you just buy the kit, decorate your trunk. They have a lot of other decor kits where you just buy the kit and you can set up your own scene. They have party wear if you're throwing a Halloween party, plates, cups, napkins, goodie bags. I'm telling you guys, they have everything. So please go check them out. I'll include a link down below in the description. Here is our box right here. Let me stand up so I can open this. Oh, you guys, I can't wait to show you everything that's in here. I've unpackaged pretty much everything. I got a little bit of this, a little bit of that. The first items that I got are these little skeleton witch costumes. Yes. So it comes with a hat and it has some witch hair on it. If you have those skeletons, if you want to dress them up, make them look super witchy. I thought these were so cute, so easy. They store away really nicely too. Also comes with a witch cape. Pretty long. I feel like it'll probably go down to maybe like your skellies hip, maybe a little past the hip. And also have it up if you want to do more like a vampy look, or you can just put that down. Just put it on your skeleton and you're good to go. I mean, obviously I'm not the skeleton, but I just want to show you guys, like, so easy. And honestly, if you have like a kids party, I would totally use these as costumes, like photo prop. And I ended up getting 2 of these because you guys know I have a whole skeleton crew that I could turn into some witches. So I love wooden spooky signs. I love them because they're so simple, but they also kind of just blend in with your home decor. I picked out this trick or treat sign and I thought it was spooky, really easy if you want to host like a craft night. I'll get into crafts because I got some spooky crafts. But if you're wanting to host like a ghouls night out, ghouls night in, you could totally purchase a few of these, purchase some paints, invite some friends over, and you could decorate these. You can kind of turn it into a DIY project and just have some cackles and some Halloween candy. And I mean, does that not sound like a good time? I decided to pick up these adorable little rats. They are so stinking cute. Now hear me out. I bought these because I thought they would be so cute to set up like a little witchy scene. Add some cauldrons, add these little rats. You can move their tails so you can have it more like on attack rat or more like curious rat, you know? It does come with a few different sizes, 2 large ones, 2 medium, and 2 smaller. You also get some cobweb to help set up your scene. I mean, come on. They're adorable. So I've been literally eyeballing these, you guys, like definitely, pun intended. I have been eyeballing these eye orbs for so long. Went ahead and got a set, and with these you get 3 large ones, very lightweight. I just like the sheen that it has on them. They're not glass, so you don't have to worry about breaking them. 3 medium ones, 3 little small ones. These are just so like mystical, you know? Whoa. I thought these would be perfect if you do like a little cocktail bar. Eye of Newt, the mystical eye. Good to fill in vases. You can also put them in some glass bowls. Just put like some green moss, add some spiders, like, ooh, I can see it now. Skeleton hand yard stakes. If you don't know, I'm in an apartment. I unfortunately don't have a yard space that I can decorate currently, but I long for the days of when I will be able to decorate a yard again for Halloween. But on Oriental Trading, I loved how they used these stakes. So Springoween, Summerween, like we're all wanting to get out into our yards, we're wanting to plant, buy some new plants, you know, just kind of get our porch looking together again with the nicer weather. And they had these displayed in little planter pots, which I thought was so adorable, so easy that you can do. It doesn't take a lot of time, a lot of energy. If decorating is not your thing, but just adding some skelly hand stakes, such a good idea. And of course you could also double up on these, and if you want to outline like maybe a sidewalk or even like a little planter area where you have all of your flowers, and put these in there. They have like a lot of great party favors, and I just thought these were so adorable. So I saw these Halloween rings and knew I just had to get them. Look at how cute they are, and they have a little bit of glitter. They're plastic. They come in like the see-through. You get the orange, purple, and black, and I love that it has like the glitter in it. And these are so good to put in treat bags. You could do little arts and crafts with them. I just thought they were so cute. So fun. I found these adorable wooden Halloween blocks. You can stand these up on the table, and if you're crafty enough, you can go ahead and add a little hanging bracket back there if you want to hang them. So it comes in a set, so you get this block right here that says Happy Halloween. Says 31 October. This little ghosty friend looking so happy. And of course, my favorite that came with this set, this little jack-o'-lantern. And of course, you gotta add the creepy cloth. Creepy cloth can turn any area into the Halloween scene of your dreams. I'm telling you, this does wonders, honestly. Then I also got a few little arts and crafts. I love Halloween crafting. Sometimes it might be hard to kind of keep your Halloween magic, your Halloween spirit alive. Just like a little activity gets your mind off of things. Oriental Trading has tons of arts and crafts. Now this is like a little Halloween wand set. I have been wanting to make some of these wands on my own, but then when I found the kit, I was like, oh, that's perfect. I'll try to put a picture right here so you guys can see what the final look of these are. Individually wrapped, so you get the little kit right here. Comes with instructions for each one. Get like the little wand covers, some other little Halloween stickers. You get a few little pieces of ribbon. You get some little glitter stars. You can make these cute little Halloween wands right here. Aren't those so cute? I'm not gonna unwrap it yet because it is a lot. We'll insert a picture right here. So this is a hanging bats backdrop. You can use it as a photo op, use it as a little curtain. I mean, Oriental Trading, they really do have it all. I have a Halloween pillow obsession. Did I need any more? Let's not answer that. Let's not. Let's not. This pillow set, things that go bump in the night, and it has this little crow on here. And these are pretty dense pillows. Nice and firm. Next one has a skull on it, and it says spooky. The last one in the set is this spiderweb pillow. The two other ones, it's black on the other side, and then with this one, beige. Perfect on that little chair in the corner. Put a little skelly over there. Put a little pumpkin over there. And you're good to go. Like, I did forget I got another little arts and crafts project. These are also individually wrapped. I will also try to find a photo for this little craft project and put it right here if I can find it. Each kit comes with a felt pumpkin, and this is a magnet kit where you can make your own felt magnet. Comes with both sides of the pumpkin, and then it comes with like a little pipe cleaner for the stem, a little leaf, and it just all attaches by itself. Just a really easy, fun, spooky craft to do. So that's gonna wrap it up for this Halloween haul with spooky things from Oriental Trading Company. Please check them out. As I mentioned, I will leave a link in the description. Thank you again to Oriental Trading for sponsoring today's video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That way you know when I have a new video. Yes, we celebrate Halloween all year round. If you want to join my community, check out my Patreon. There is a lot of options to join as a member. Thanks for watching. I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!